Welcome to Zoho Sales IQ. This video will talk about how to route visitors to specific operators in Zoho Sales IQ. The visitor routing feature lets you set specific filters for your visitors and route them to different agents by setting rules. For example, if a majority of your customers are from the United States and you want to assign 2 specific agents to that country, you can set a filter so that all visitors from the United States will only be routed only to those 2 agents. Log into Zoho Sales IQ and navigate to Settings, then to Automation and Visitor Routing. The top 3 rule suggestions will appear based on the visitors on your website. You can also frame rules on the basis of these top 3 rule suggestions. For example, if a major number of visitors are from the United States, then the top 3 suggestions will suggest United States as the first option in the countries list to set a rule. If no visitor is found on the website, then a random suggestion will be listed in the top 3. You can add rules either by clicking on Add at the top right corner or on the plus icon. Name your routing rule and then choose the website you want to set up visitor routing for. The Rules section will then appear. Select a predefined condition from the drop-down and also enter a value. Then there are routing options. You can choose from Do Not Route, Route one by one, Route to the least loaded, Route to selected operators, and Route to first available operator. Then click on the plus symbol to select operators. To delete any selected operator, click on the minus symbol that appears when you hover over the operator's picture. When you're done, click Save and your rule will be saved successfully. Select the checkbox at the bottom to route the rest of the visitors who don't match the above rule to all the other operators. Inside the visitor routing section, you can view how many times a visitor has been routed, triggered, replied to, and when the rule was last triggered. To disable it for a while, click Disable. To delete an existing rule, click the bin icon on the right side of the rule. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you.